Ali Manuel Man Robsal me January the Lacosus Dil Belau 2025. It's now 6:46. The program over at 7 p.m. Our food vendors, Naram Kalatuang, Hanyami So Hungry, Tatis Food Hub, Makalamayong, Sumsongliw, Karita Teelured Ang, Meradohol, Makaliw, Mayliw, and Kung sa role at ang matangay, hindi isuman niya, amin siya, parang tinarsin, patala, and sa labsis sa bani. 15 minutes. 15 minutes till showtime. Bilang TMC Palau, ang artya, mulai pada YouTube, sumanya ada video Roy the story of Mr. Pachet, sa M14 was a Vibora TMC Palau live on YouTube and Facebook. So the mga itak malo, oras 7 p.m. We're gonna start in 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes. Dito ay sa Nanya Renders, Nanya Tatis Food Hub, Nanya Be So Hungry, Pamila Nanya Alamay Lum. So you have 5 minutes to go and grab your last minute snacks and drinks that follow up on program with you. All of you guys are looking beautiful tonight. Pangmartero, boy! Alright, mga sakol pratanggal entertainer gila ilang Jesus, Malo Paulus. Kami sa next target, the Tingak Teragiru, aka Keeks, and I'll be your MC for the evening. Alright. Era todo el tema del dance. Elaborated Al-Mosnge, Lawak Lohu, Mahulit na Chief Sylvester Francis Alonso, Division of Youth, MHRC PD, Monday, and Maskila opening prayer.
Mayroon siya rogoy, ulit pagkatanak na rogoy halulu. Halulu. Kadama Dios sa lugo, agi kulibro ila Jesus, eolam servau, ibrang asudam, ang nasabad ang manyate ila kulibro ertia Dil Belau. Agi kulibro rogoy ila Jesus, ang muul otil ang ilong rul, ang ilong tahu, ang ilong ice, ang marugul up, tohuni ang mask from Dil Belau. Ang luwa de ruwa o sperlau. Kalau sperlau dalam pementangan tarmiya relat marogul al-Maghrib. Agiodar si al-Sus, labuk sebab dalam tamgil al-Rul, ertikal wahosya, ertikal Belau. Ruwab, agi ultur kliat tigigam, mo kultib la terum, tetede manaklem, kau martel la pingyal. Agi malmon melonigit, mo kemalmon melon pingyal, al-Sus. Mabon mereka tiap tukar Dil Belau. Boder may sisi abningat marmud emalmol manggil urior. Aigang ayogit dalawaklet ay Yesu Kristo malagyan kabukma. Amen.
And so Chief Alonso, alam ko ligitra Mr. Pasio May magbiskita National Anthem. At paulit sa sa Bonibon Lord. Sige na, materang ang inyong harapitan. Chief Alons, Malay, and this is welcome and acknowledgements.
Mesdames, Messieurs, bonsoir à tous et bonsoir à toutes. Together, Reverend Father Robuy, Sylvester Francis Alons, and at time after was seeing at that level, French-speaking MC, Ningala Susa Montera, Vision of Youth and Career Development, Ministry of Human Resources, Culture, Tourism and Development. Welcome our Rula and Beth Libra Dil Belau Elan Sus, Akmadi Ogul and Rama Sudan, National Youth and Elizabeth Council, NYCC. NYCC, our primary partner, Division of Youth, our national government, Elorutta Tora Youth, Blue. Akmanga Sudan together, 16 state reps, other on board, chairwoman, my executive director, and the last year, Dil Belau. The domestic Dil Belau contest, I'm running at Tarano Lila the a youth ambassador, and today our master of Dil Belau. So tell domestic Yala Sus, I'm not to give it a PS together. based on experiences complement the lawyer of the contestant kung parman sukat our leadership sel tulungan lagi Omtera Bulwal, Omtera State Tirgi, Omtera Dil Belau, national level, Tirigel Civil international level. We are given the protocol again. Acting with that again, Rangasudir NYCC, Chairwoman, all the way director, Tirigel parents, smart families, Tirigel contestants, Equilibrium Sus. Quiero ter state governments, Michael Udabel Rabalu, and then we are Tirgal Boris Yartir. I recognize that the Maflin delegate of Blue Miss Stephanie Giray, that the Maflin governor of Blue Morello, Mr. White Giray, Mother governor of Blue Norman Girataboy, the one Sudan Bay, Equilibrium Analysis. Ladies and gentlemen, the Nagig, Miss Wakakum. Bring us sooner to the contestants. The first, so congratulations. Again, Mansulam and our National Youth and the Development Council, NYCC. Mansulam.
And sabi ang Chicanon. And ako naging interim Executive Director ng NYCC, Ms. Mia Cuarte, Malay, and Ms. Ina remarks to me.
Malawil ko sa ngay. Maliswa kalma yung asulin meron ang masus, nakakanwantangap ng Laura Lumsip, tingal ngayak sa rayan Balura, tingal 16 states sa rin Balura, Dil Belau. Manlewa raw, ulam lang sa Dil Belau contest, Dil Belau kote alam at maruningin mo at ramam, matel contest naman yung sige rangal, at mo partner dyan NYCC, natong TRE, nalayan ko tukol-tukol, lalo Miss Belau, alubog direk nariyakan ang larakway, naniyata ng Miss Belau, hindi direk ang laraw NYCC. Murong-riri lang kung later in the program, because mo sa iyo highlights ringi, o rin sa iyo reflection ringi, mas yung manuwarang. Agiman nila sa Marilal Kasus, dahil Olol tayo, Dil Belau ringi, may orang lutululog tayo, magmusto mo na rin, sa orang mo tayo gagawin sa koy. May idir kong su, ngayon alam mo yung mamandara para naman ng hotel, kasi may yung orang adir kong su, matukor wala, nuntan mo su, matiritan. So kung malaw su besan su mga niya yung pamong tito ringi, agiman mo nga su, din mga hotel mo sir kamam, magayap mo din nakansom yun mo rin, sir kamam yung mga doon, may lakad mo ang mura programmer yun. Kung pandaso lang.
Silang Emiya. Okay. Alam mo, introduce yung tilan mo, Chantry Relado Sus. Please bear with me and kung bumibaygan pa your tear. Sino mo kung putong orang klem, please sabong to already. Duhaira Aliansen. Okay. So, dito ko ng award. So, I will read these in English. Our first judge for the evening, please let me introduce Mrs. Norma Etibek. Norma Etibek is the Administrative Assistant to the Managing Director of the Palau Visitors Authority and the Secretary to the Board of Directors. She also assists with Palau Visitors Authority's Department of State and Community Programs. Norma is also a member of the SR Women's Azabel, Harabang Igoy, and a former player for Team Palau Women's Fast Pitch from 1998 to 2006. Madam Saklo, Pro. Mr. Kenny Raclay. Kenny Raclay is the Marketing and Solidarity Coordinator at the Palau National Olympic Committee, where he actively advocates for and supports the youth of Palau. A former national volleyball athlete, he has represented Palau with pride, bringing home multiple medals, and now serves as the Vice President of the Oceania Zone Volleyball Association. Kenny has also contributed as the photographer with Miss Palau Inc. and previously held leadership roles as Vice President of the Micronesian Youth Services Network. His passion for sports, culture, and youth development continues to drive his work in empowering Palau's next generation. Madam Saklo Pro. Our third judge, Ms. Dilwot Williams. While attending Cebu Doctors University, Dilwot Williams earned a bachelor's degree in radiologic technology. She works as a radiologist for the Ministry of Health and Human Services at Belau National Hospital. A former Guramnoy State Representative on the Palau National Council, Dilwot is also a cultural performing arts member of the Araamayong Cultural Dance Group, which has performed and represented Palau both domestically and abroad. Most recently, Dilwot represented Palau in the performing arts stage internationally, most notably in 2023 Asia Pacific Dance Festival and the 2024 13th Festival of Pacific Arts in Honolulu, Hawaii. Please give her a big round of applause. Our fourth judge for the evening, Mr. Alang Yanin Basul. Alang Yanin Basul is the director of the Bureau of Tourism, but also the owner of a single-man graphic design company called Bandori. As a returning youth to Palau, he has been mesmerized by the opportunities that have become available to the young people of Palau. Coming back home after years of living abroad, he has been engaged in several activities for Palauans of all ages. The purpose is to emphasize that the need to seek opportunities outside of Palau is slowly being balanced with having the opportunities readily accessible here at home. And for him, Dil Belau has become one of these opportunities that will now create a two-way street between Palau and the world. As the owner of Bandori, he was lucky enough to have his design represented in this initiative, and therefore become the new logo for Dil Belau. Sorry. It was on the screen earlier when you guys came in. Huh? It is easier to have an abundance of opportunities and have to say no to any of them, and have none and say ulung. Please give a big round of applause to Mr. Alang Yanin Basul. And last but not least, we have Ms. Jamila Galvez Duarte, or AKA Mia. Mia is the Interim Executive Director of the Palau National Youth and Adult Council. She attended Coro Elementary School and graduated from Palau High School later. Mia has a BA in International Studies and a BS in Secondary Education. Her MED is Learning Technology with a specialty in Career Technical Education and Instructional Design. Mia's prior work experience includes community and youth development, teaching, technology, and program management. A former Team Palau athlete in both swimming and basketball, she continues to volunteer her time coaching and supporting youth activities. Mia and her husband, Truman Scam, are owners and partners in their local consulting firm, Island Time Crew. Mia Duarte. All right, let's give another big round of applause for the Judge again. Marta Milaters, Marta, and Robin Gabriel, and I love seeing. On ready? Okay. Tarwata ang artyang oyang radil ngardub. Let me hear you if you're in the house. Yatil olasang. Yatil ertalul. Yatil balyas. Yatil ermul. Lakadobul rel atasus loba traditional wear. Tiratil la mosma taklop kalir e olol tabalgol. Kadumur tiyan tagoy marmayas na mosmalir. Almasu babalgol e bomagul almasaw. Takatil peyot tagoy. Takatil maras kawang itong art matumo na diyong musel aswad. Uswad ang kaligan penaw mabolongi at tiletele la dorula tagoy. Par adra pirir ma lurir alon maser tiratil amotpa osis at nagtarir kung harang at naago mulbas, maomarul, agina del morgi, and mosabel, mertal masus, and balshon, and madangay amarul abisel. At time, awan ang doktor madartir, and son tanteal, mga Mr. Sakli, mal-open a program, ragi the loba tapos. Alakadamu Loka said, first category for the evening, traditional wear. أقلعي الدورة أتلو غيام أمور رمزي يبلن تلام أتلغام يبلن تلام أتلغام يبلن خلي العليم أتلغى وشيو العليم naman sa one last final look or traditional wear. At sunod sa amin yung ay! Pabawal Dil Belau. Dil Belau. Dil Odasang. Dil Ertulung. Dil Belau. Dil Ermul. Let's hear it one more time. Let us start close front for traditional wear. Alam mo mga intermission ulit malo kita tablor alita. At the same time, so nalolingin Miss Shuri and Mr. Klamat may and Miss kita raffle. Kung mga ticket na review, oy. Tadi man bilang ko pati on flashlight na din war review o basta number. Dito draw ay your travel ngarik dengan yummy so hungry happy school ha ma almayun.
Ali, how are we doing tonight? You guys ready for this $25 gas prize? And so 18 or under 18?
Yes, we'll ask the winners to please come up on stage and receive your raffle prize.
Please. Come on up. Or else you forfeit the prize.
Let's give another round of applause, everyone, please.
She has the wallet, buddy. please.
And she gets a $25 fuel voucher.
Merci. Congratulations, Mercy. You got a $25 gas voucher from Belau gas station. Do you guys want one more? Let's do one more. Belau, do you want to pick this ticket? The next winning number is...
Are you guys ready?
Are we ready?
Excited?
Are we ready?
Excited. I want to hear you out.
Are we ready for the next ticket? The next number is...
The next number is 031. 031. Hello.
This is a little intimidating now. 031, I see over here. Mr. Lee.
Do we have a winner?
Yay! Stop the front.
Excitement, excitement. Hello, 031. Confirmed, it's 031. And 031 wins a WCTC gift card for $25.
And what is the name, my dear?
My name is Sheila.
And who are you rooting for tonight?
Sorry, ma'am. I'm sorry.
Thank you, 031.
All right, one more and then we'll pass it on to the band.
Yes.
One more? Which prize do you guys want? Who wants to volunteer to get a ticket? Does anyone want a canoe house? Does anyone want to pick a ticket? Anyone from the front row? No? Come on. Is Belau? And the next winning ticket is?
Ticket number 320. Wilma Kumakan.
320.
320, are you here? 320, Wilma Mangai. On once.
Going twice.
Should we draw another one? Wow. All right, let's do one more. Chessman, do you want to pick one more? Are you guys ready for this?
I want to hear
I can't hear you. Put this in the pineapple for the team.
Ticket number 170. 170. Almost. That was so close.
walk with me? Let's walk. I guess that's your prize.
Thank you for your participation.
You get a... I think you pull that out, it's really hard. You get a voucher!
$25 fuel voucher. Woo! It's a voucher. Okay, what is your name? Bill. Who are you here to serve? Thank you.
Now walk, say.
Again, my name is Shudi and this is Kamat. We'll see you in the next intermission.
Bye.
Omar Karaoy! Elang Marcel, Ongerun, event Elang Susinya, cultural talent. Ratiran di lamo, all tayo no the game, malu, tamnasu, Dil our other Belau. Please give a big round of applause to Dil Belau.
Malungin mo sige, ample nga orange ring and heart, and then ngerdu, ample lang alagay kamataw, pero mama ko mutiin ang bulurangan pa. Dan anak ko sige, lagi mo ko sige, mak mo ro. Hoy, willing amale, and meron sa singiya. And more I'm less salary than good or yours. Mako, ayu relia. Apilat ket koy gong dan leot tegi gara mai sian yuswa degat koy wet gara abi masabes. Iwo gara
Wang vi langin skopre. Eller wang o ui. Lukum sakot prot Dil Belau. Lahat sa mora Dil Belau.
Ali makluotal marma. Yang akan menolak teratar akluol kota Samarian meruringi tidak kenal. Ali mos kerja yang akan along menggigit keluol. Kansaula, stage manager, stage coordinator. Set up lagi yung next contestant. Alam saklot prot Dil Belau.
Ali relaxing eh. Talent naman kaya relaxing eh. Ako, may mangi nila okay lang dito.
Natalutum Saklol Prot at Dil Belau. Alam nilang pag-iklar kung mararbay. Ito sabi niya, Dil Belau.
Aling, yan ang sansera ang nagulagod, ay binalabot, mapagkalis. Sila pagulagkat, ay parang natapden, para ang naulog mo. Ang kayas, ang Kristiyan, ang magkod, manut, ang kinaluluyon. Magkod, sila ako na naging kertil. Magkod, terasos. Oh, the smoke! Oh, the smoke lang! Gumungyan at ako'y tungad-tungad ang sige, lara, tulungan na nalbekhan, mawatan matelan, erang iloyaw liyang.
Natalutum Saklol Prot at Dil Belau. Lagtay makatungko ako sa intermission. Ngunit malo, magbus kita lintak. May jury mahkamat, lugar sa raffle prizes. again, nalitigan food vendors na rin, mga Yummy So Hungry, Tati's Food Hub, and Kalamaylum to the local vendors. So please support local. And you have it live at TMC Palau on YouTube and Facebook. I'm always share sa link para sa review, para alam review, para Dil Belau.
We're back! Nagililutan, man! Wasn't that cool? Didn't everyone else do that? I got that in again. Shari, when was the last time you heard someone who wants to guess? You don't know?
I don't know. I don't think I can remember. When was yours?
I don't even remember. My mom used to, when someone cries, they're like, sobrang naman ako kasyana. They don't know kasi sila like that. Or kung naman mo rabati, nakabudol mo songs.
Can you sample? Or
Do you want to hear it?
yes.
Mga kadra daw, tinakadra bili kapag tabak mga kadra eh. So I just want to say, Dil Belau, ang yawa, tabak ako na say, ang yawa, sumusamin mo murap, ang yawa, pag-tibig lang suwi, yung samin mo murap hindi. So kudos to her. Adra natin lagi orudra, aling ano may suso asilse, asal sila abakan. Makmo. Oh, the swap. Oh, the swap. Ema, naman asoya. Aderubadere magkit. Adatal makalit. Temungil tigadagoliya. I got you. All right, are you guys ready for these tickets?
Wait, before we start that, can we do another round of applause for Kamad? You guys just paid for 6 talents tonight.
In the hot Armin. All right. I guess it's my night tonight, so I'll pick for this time.
You've earned it.
I have. Okay, this is going to require some thinking.
The number is
Start, tabatablo. Start Paeru. Do you guys know what that is? Aura one machero matu. One matu. You better come up here. Who has 1 or 2? Well, make yourself, identify yourself. I know who you are. Okay, Malu. Oh. She's coming. Let's give her a round of applause. Come on.
hello.
It's some struts.
What's your name and who are you here to support?
Kira, and I'm here to support Dil Belau.
And you're winning a $10 airtime.
Come here, take a picture. All right, let's give her a round of applause, everybody. Are we ready for another gas voucher? I'm being loud enough. How about you?
Okay, are we ready? Can I get some passion, excitement for another
Are we ready for this raffle?
Yes, okay, ready. Ticket number 384. 384. Do we have a winner?
Right there.
Yes!
Come on, come on. She's already repping with the t-shirt.
And she will be winning a $25 gift card to Surang. Yes!
Wait, what's your name again?
Rachel.
Rachel Cordelia.
Thank you.
Thank you. Can we get a round for Rachel from Belias? Should we do one
Two
more?
more? There's a lot more prizes. I'll draw this one just to give you guys something neat. The number is 034. 034. 034. Do we have a 034? Somewhere over there? Sorry, I can't see. Make your way up here. Give him a round of applause.
Hello. What's your name and who are you here to support?
I'm here to support Dil Belau.
Okay, that's the lesson sound. You will be winning a $10 airtime. Thank you. He agreed to a picture.
Sorry. Let's take a picture. We're gonna be famous.
We're cool here.
We're super cool.
Thank you so much
All
for
right.
your airtime. And then for the next raffle, we'll ask that all the winners go through this side of the stage. Thank you.
Yeah, we'll pass it on to the stand and then we'll come back when there's more prizes to give. But before we go, 1 second. Let's hear it for our contestants, Dil Belau. Come on, you can do better than that. Dil Belau, let's bounce stage. Let's hear it for Dil Belau. They're back here so they can hear you. Come on. the cheer them up. Dil Belau, let us stay. And Dil Belau, I say. And Dil Belau, for our sake. Thank you, everybody. Mano, Amos, take over, please. We're back. So, they're still getting ready. The vogue seamstresses out there, getting them up and ready. We're gonna do four more raffle, just to give them time to get ready, and then. But before we do that, let's wake up a little bit. Do you guys want to be Team Nya? How about Team Bilu? And if I raise my hand, you gotta make some noise, okay? Team Bilu? Team Nya? Bilu, you gotta step it up a little bit. Team Bilu? I gotta say, I'm actually deaf, so I don't hear anything. I didn't bring my hearing aids tonight. All right, let's start with the raffle ticket. I'm gonna pick someone from the crowd, so it's fair. Counselor Cynthia, I call upon you to pull the ticket, please. I know everyone here, so. Come on, Masaud. Masaud, brother. I'm never certain what I'm going to do. I'm and the number is, are you ready, Bilu? Yeah, are you ready? And the number is?
Ticket number 436.
436. Tuwa, makalay, makalol. Argi? Mamarang alarit. Should we go to the next one? Yeah, because these meal vouchers are not waiting for anyone, right? Okay, who's next? Who shall I pick next? Do you know anyone? LA? I see you. Wearing white. Thank you. Oh. Ako nakarating. It's okay. Sulang.
Thank you. What?
436. Dil Belau. Mamrurtan na.
Using this side of the stage, please.
Allah halat. Mamrurtan na. May alam sa tiyak may moral na tero. Alam mo na. My next tigeta, say it Palawan.
That's tough, bro.
The next number is
286.
Tablo, Macleod, Macalo. 286. 286? Who got 286? All right, 286, my 436 tomorrow at May. Wait, wala ba tablo? Wala, hindi ako wala. Ano to asa ng Marseille, wala ng course. Ilang tera?
286. 286, please use this way.
Please, I'm going to give you one more so I'm going to
436, what is your name and who are you here to support? She said Deborah. Everyone give Deborah a round of applause. And tonight, Deborah is winning a $25 fuel voucher.
Wait, let's wait for the friend.
Yes, actually. What is your name and who are you here to support?
Pero ito ka na tayo lang, right. Smile.
Thank you,
Thanks, guys. All right, one more. LA this time. All right. To change, I'm gonna come and pick someone. Good for you, LA. All right. I'll make it up to you because I made you get up. So, by the way, congratulations. I didn't come to your ceremony. All right. We're gonna pick 2 tickets at once. Who wants to pick? Who wants to pick? Can you bring this over?
Awesome. That's the spirit, guys. Initiative. We love to see it. Yes. Do you want to say the number?
My name is Stever, and I came to support Dil Belau.
What is the number that you pulled?
081.
081. Thank you.
081. And the other number is 459. Who has 459? 459. Oh my God, is this a conflict of interest? That is my mother. All right, mother. You get a gift card from WCTC for $25. You can stay here. You can stand over here and we'll take a picture. Do you want to? With your prize. Yes. There's another one. 3, 2. I did not draw that ticket. That little kid did. She doesn't want her prize. Jesus. So the winner of the other ticket is Helen. I'm going to send the ticket to Helen and then I'm going to run a club. Helen. Walk with me, we gotta claim your prize. She won a
$25 fuel voucher.
All right, one more.
Who would want to draw?
Can we try on that side?
Okay.
Sorry.
This is
All right, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Dil Belau. Dil Belau. Are you guys hungry? There's caterers outside. I'll get this one with more cake in our stay. Okay. Claire, help me support the team here.
Kaya ako support ka nila Haralo.
Hallelujah. And the number is
297.
297. We got 297. Come on. Check your prices. They got that blue.
297.
297 is right there. Come here. You should walk the other way, and then so you can take a picture. All right, we can take a picture. This is the camera guy right here. Look at that lens. It's a little bit intimidating. Thank you.
And she wins a $10 airtime.
Oh my God, they opened their net anymore. Thank you. All right, one more and then that's it. We'll give it back to the band and they're about to be ready, so it's more songs and then we'll see the next category. Thank you very much, everybody.
Thank you.
Ali-ali, kom tay cham. Kom nil ka ngarte rohoy. Ang para orok yolen. And Mia Island formal wear ma interview. Sila TV mong mongol atlet del Island formal wear. Lemok tel. O si sa akin kagatil mo matuan mulit tamilir and mora kakaraw sa loob TV. Ako mo masama island formal wear. Ya brew ito mo onger ay galulong onger. Dil Belau. Meski the final look pertain the island formal wear. the stage furniture adjustment. One by one, nagpura finger loop. One more sa tarayer. Finger loop. Kawara.
Akbay show.
How are you feeling tonight?
Feeling great. I'm happy to be here. Happy to represent the fun tonight.
Okay, take like more loud. We'll bring it to our part and we'll put it in Dil Belau. In your experience, what are the top 3 issues affecting youth in Palau? As Dil Belau, how can you use this role to address these issues? Dil Belau, kasi ako club niya nakaw, maluong at o singebrar Dil Belau, or mayas Dil Belau. And marang ayat din kaboy, ang man-pro to the dedicator. Ako magtarat, mga mangit de Dil Belau, sabem mo para e usper teatro through them, alogrior, kinelaigal edin kaboy.
Good evening, and thank you, Vito, for such an excellent question. The 3 issues that the youth are facing now is mental health issues, substance abuse, and disconnection from culture. For example, me. And
Aobong magtangat, mga mangil de Dil Belau, ang sabem mo karang e usper teatro alem, alogrior, kinelaigal edin kaboy.
starting from Dil Belau, I'd like to hold councils, youth councils. Just start off by listening from the youth to hear what they have to say, and because all youth need a stroller to lean on, and starting from youth councils, listening, hearing their opinions, what they want to talk about, and then slowly make our way into addressing these issues to the public, to know that it's not just the youth that are struggling, we're all struggling here, and we all need to be heard. Pangasulang.
Kung sakto proud ang inner group. Dinner tulul, kawara. Tayo. Oy. You feel calm and collective right now. Tayo na yan more about who has made the most significant influence on you outside of your family? What makes them so influential to you? Taalaad, Adya al-Adrablin, Malumang Abang, Ahmad Pro, Abladadil, Kidem, Rakangargaw, Malum, and Omsu, Malum, and Klaadraw. Alekrutan. Taalaad, Adya al-Adrablin, Malum, Abang, Ahmad Pro, Abladadil, Kidem, Rakangargaw, Malum, and Klaadraw. Surang Ramalungit here. Alay na boy. Alay na boy, I'm the sincere para high school 4 years, edit at high school. Hindi ka rin nadil, ngayon naligil, kero kondo, sincere ka ma'am. Ang mga problem kasi sila sis upper ka ma'am. Dahil ito warul, luhul, maging luhul nga sila ka ma'am, luhul maging tilaw para school. What makes them so influential to you?
Kam na mo twice the teacher of the year. Sige ba orang mo matay ni orang lagi influence mo. Also.
Dil Belau. I'm excited. All right. Okay, take that again for What skills or support do youth need to resist drug and alcohol abuse? What is missing in current community policies or resources that you think is needed to support youth with this issue? Our youth tospe ang ranges, ang layas tospe ang ranges, malu sis act, most of arir dagabon lolay makitel malu omniberong. Umamdas ang ariala malu nges dia malu bertirga borgi sebel posutrir armayas.
Thank you for your question.
What skills or support do youth need to resist drug and alcohol abuse? What is missing in current community policies or resources that you think is needed to support youth with this issue? Our layas tospe angalanges malu moses act most of arir dagabolola makitilgar malu omniberong. Umambas ngariala malu nges dia malu mentira korni sebel mosutirir manas.
I think what the youth needs is the support from the entire community. There's that saying that it takes an entire community and a village to raise a child, and it definitely took one to raise me. As for support, we all need each other, whether you're an elder, a parent, an athlete, everyone needs each other. What is also important is the networking amongst organizations. And I also believe that with this, we can empower each other and lift one another. Thank you.
Okay, thank you again for what is one personal strength that will help you succeed as Dil Belau? What is one personal area of growth that you hope to learn or improve from your experience as Dil Belau? Thank you, Dil Belau. Upang magtangat, makamangit na mo Dil Belau, ngara imod takoy, umaguburingi, malu, alparni, at mo sugaw, at bruna, or tenderual. Hindi na ngarang taratoy, lumamtas, suwam, mo subi, malu, umaguburingi, sa mo Dil Belau.
Okay, ano yung question? Nakakatuloy na. Sige kita matulungin. Kutusokan mga tagu, kutusokan sa especially politics. We're interested in politics. Direktal sumak mamingit, sokan mo subi, mo ako mamutuin mga tatura, nakadil other amalum or other belaw, ako mamutuin mga tatura, kutukalad, especially mo mamutuin mga tatura mo art. Direktal Malborg in English. Yes, sige ako rasokan mo subi.
I'm feeling good. All right. If you were president of Palau, what is a new youth-related policy that you would create? Dil Belau and Masif. Ulungum makamrolay Torio Dil Belau and Maranga Estela Malurong Est Tretele Lauror Swam Lut Matli mo on Maseo Malu mo Rungyoli Ranayasan.
Thank you for the really good question. If I was president of Palau, I would do so many things. But the first thing I would do is I would designate an entire month to celebrate the youth. Because we've had a year of youth empowerment, and every year we have a day in March where we celebrate the Youth Day. But we haven't had a month where we celebrate the youth, like Emergency Services Month, but instead it would be focused on the youth. And in this month, we would bring all the youth of Palau together, and we would celebrate doing things like sports, doing dance contests, having debates, having forums, just bring everybody together for one whole month to do activities and get the youth growing and connecting with each other and collaborating with one another and just celebrating all of our differences, our connections, and taking pride in being a youth in Palau and connecting with their culture. Thank you.
Madalug de Bastia Claude Prat Dil Belau. Lanta mga tumararbay, tukong pinimaran, tutulin. Katapos na literal judge. Elhut mo kramrenir, and there are some that must have the literal din, but pero yung so we'll get one song and then we'll bring them back one by one to give their final speeches.
Set the
tema trinalitak, kung meron nga tabulators, orang nga doon, Dil Belau nanti sekitar dia. Besok mau online, update daerah 6884. Please mau tahu berapa belum melihat lah. Daerah state 6884. Sudah. konti naman ay terahoy. Ahora habla la carretera y no sabe lo dahil. El altar mensaje lo general contestants Malmay and Mesquita Camille. El altar soalnya potong dengan Dil Belau. Malmay and Mesquita Camille.
I prepared a whole speech because I didn't want to forget anybody. And Ali, I know I'm gonna cry, so most of this, if I'm reading off of my phone, I want to take this opportunity to thank all the people that made this possible. First and foremost, I want to thank Mara Yus and Mara Maginaw that voted for me to represent Matpong and everybody from Matpong. Second, I want to thank the Foreign Beauty team, especially my mother, who was able to stay with me every step of the way, even through her busy schedule. To my big sisters, Ariane and Yosao, to my aunties, Juanza and Salib, and cousins, Tony and Kiba, to my personal photographers, Armani and Sarla, and a big thank you to my friends and other family members supporting me from afar. Lastly, I want to thank the organizations that sponsored me and made sure I was set and ready for everything. Shout out to Globus, Matpong State Government, Matpong State Legislature, Island Beauty Clinic, and Bofi. My heart, nor words, cannot thank you all. Not even a billion thank yous would suffice. So standing here once again, I thank you all for the time and sacrifices you all made for me to be here. Thank you once again, and I love and appreciate you from the bottom of my heart.
Lutong sa Conrod, Adil Nargo. Kailangan naman rin ko siya, Dil Belau.
Hi everyone. I just want to say that
Lutong sa Conrod, Adil Belau.
Thank you. I just want to say last night when I was going over all of the people that I wanted to thank, I was getting so emotional because I was so full of love and gratitude for you all. So I'm going to keep it short and sweet with that book from the Lord stage. So first of all, I want to thank the Lord. He's my guide, my savior and protector, and He is the reason why I'm standing here today. Thank you to my family, my mom, my dad, all of my siblings, and all of my wonderful aunties, uncles, and cousins who have shown me support here and afar from day one. Without you guys standing by my side and your unwavering faith in me, I would not be able to be who I am today, standing here tall and proud and speaking to you all. I'd like to thank my team, special shout out to Bobli. Your faith in me is why I'm standing here today, because I never would have thought that be standing on this stage, having this opportunity to speak to you all and to represent Video with such pride and humility. So thank you, Bobli. And to all of my team members that were working tirelessly behind the scenes, Sachi and Glydes, Denodil, and my really lovely Auntie Gayla, who runs to the ends of the earth for our family. Sachi and Glydes, Denodil, and my really lovely Auntie Gayla, who runs to the ends of the earth for our family. Thank you all. To my photographers, Sky, and my other contestants that are here along with me and all the people here tonight. And two big thanks to my sponsors, Honorable Delegate Nace Walablay, the Honorable Governor Dr. Amais Roberts, and the entire state government of Taliliu. Shout out to Shari and Chief of Staff for helping us with whatever we needed. Without your support, I wouldn't be able to stand here knowing that the leaders of my state have faith in me, that they believe in me, and they support me in this journey. So thank you all. Another shout out, last but not the least, I want to thank the people of Lidio. Thank you for supporting me throughout this journey, all of those who sent me words of encouragement, those that I met when I went to Pambet last week, our after Tiral Alubel, our Tatiro, Malaytud, Marawarubang, Maripong Sayantam. Special shout out to the Marabang Maas. You are the reason why I'm standing here today at Kalkara. So thank you all for your support, and I wouldn't be here without you all. And I love you all.
Yung sa Prota, Dil Belau. Salamat po ng siya, Dil Belau.
Maotan sa ating mga masulala ng Diyos, iya ulan ng kaboy. O ngero, mora, rubugol ng asilang Governor Miraybay, delegates sa mga state government, sponsor ng mga cartel kayuma. O ngere, tumubit sa mga Marciana, Natirigan ako na kami firma. Alul bagyara ko alin rin out. Pamanas sila na uwi. Miss ka kate alam mo kung te abirwa na lang ano. Thank you.
Yung sa Prota, Dil Belau. Nakabarong siya, Dil Belau.
Ali, tulog sige. Ingat na sa kanila ng sulod ng Diyos from a good experience. Stressful na parang sa rin kami na school, ang pinagkasta na school, mag-university. Hindi na kalsokan kami ng sulod na tumakan at support ng mga raway kagin. State government, the main sponsor nga, Delegate Stephanie Giroy, PNCC, mga Belau Mabula, always taking it on time and everything. Pabalik-basal our supporter ha. Ma-crew nga backstage. I'm getting it already. So lang.
Yung sa Prota, Dil Belau. Nakabarong siya, Dil Belau.
Ali, I'm really disappointed that I have to go after her. I feel like you guys put pressure on me. Anyway, first I would like to thank our other auditor, Lomnara, and Ortega, and I want to take this time to thank my sponsors. I wrote them down so I don't forget. Governor Ayos Rudim and Florida State Government, Dil Belau Committee, Dr. Yano, Shalom Edison, Allen Sid, TLC, Edward Anastasio, English accent, sorry. Edward Anastasio, Mali, Iol, Belen, Deshay, Andrea, and my best friend Sean. And I would like to thank all my friends and family who took the time to come and support me. Ako man appreciate the little uy, o panusulang. Alright, sa front, Dil Belau. Allow to the little uy for their last look, and then we're gonna have Dil Belau, Raya Antonio give us her final walk. Final words. Ngilap sige, Miss Belau.
Ano yung magsingay? Sino ba sa ka?
Mau ka na imang super ka so alo ka may pinayer. Di mo malutor ang bar this time, okay?
Actually, ang naman memory lang na sa tiyera Dil Belau, era Mertianer, el Susa, para ligo. So, siga to ora tingin takam, no si karakter sa isang Dil
Madimgin. Kapag sa rapper ng Peter Brera, like ang mga error for this thing. Well, I got first hand to see you get prepared for Dil Belau after you won the Miss Belau pageant, and I know you've experienced a lot of things. Mga nabibilager sa here. So during your reign, what were some of your favorite highlights from your time as Miss Belau?
So, lang yung gilug. Manda ba ito ka-highlighter? Sarap, meron Miss Belau. So, kung mga sa Facebook or mga kung di ba sa din sa Cebu. Ting, ay gil-awat na neswa momenta. Sarap kung Dil Belau, or Hawaii, nila. Festival of Arts sa Pacific Islands. Man yung ginarang ko naman Dil Belau, Dil Belau, o Mesen Supa, ikinulugtod muna. Tingin of Arts, or Ulugtod muna Hawaii. And then I will work on the theater, other on the Blue Ring and maybe Pacific Islands, from the Ashwan or Deer.
Understood now. What did you learn about youth leadership as Miss Belau?
Sarap lang Miss Belau, ang ora din lang po ko din was ang karamong or ning akti o mesem sub. Sarap flora na uro akman lang po na niya. One mo terror mo Miss Belau, namdingin or namdingin mo sa youth leadership ang part taking the role. Sa edel mo o tiyong kintritan mo kintratan mo mga sa Dil Belau or o mesem sub. Di ko din rin super maklolad at patingin mo rin tayo.
Lastly, what advice do you have for the new Dil Belau na so Israelana?
Sa ko Mr. Tiragi na Dil Belau ang holding lang na rumulak ko rin at here ang pangaling. Akmal brother tail ito. Ay yung oras sa siya maglumaming sa history yung ginarang ko kunin was yung totoo arakan sa Dil Belau. Tulog na ehin, matatuhir, tulog ko tingin. Malinga syuang argit. Makora di advice na kan mortir la sel kumes at emela ng Dil Belau. Malinga klot emela na bibay sa pagdunting tibla klot emela bay marbelan mo dura at Belau. Advice na kan mortir kada mo para ada belu.
Have any final comments or acknowledgements that you want to give?
Sa akin, di makata sa kalawar mga sulit na ruwag na Diyos. Adim nakiin na markang ito ka sa eleg. Sisiya ba niya at sa kalawar na ruwag na maralep. Sa kalawar mga sulit na drama. Alam na rin ang ating mga. Masumpa maramla lomes ra YouTube live. Masakit yung mga sulit. Nagkikita to magkat karang muna pag-session room na karalep. Sa kalawar mga sulit other giwal at di kaya minlit na mga kalawang there. Sa kalawar nga sulit tigil na manager nga kasarat na mga reward at pani mga star. Di kaya ko naman nagtakas sponsor sa mga kaklor mo kung reward sa nurse stage. Last meeting mga katreteler. Sa kalawar nga sulit NYCC. Sarap meet mo Miss Belang, after ako patrir, rule of Yellow Girl of patrir. My Miss RCTV, especially Missionary Youth, at Chief Alon sa Lolo Bugyel, at rule lagay gitang Maradel. Dr. Mo, job to at super sa Rang Bugyel. Team Rang Asuli, Rago, Direk, at man to support Team Rang Runs.
That's what marami sila last performance sa Raw, and hindi mo super out.
Ela di last para release ela log singing para mga dadura dala lang makalupa ela siga ora ngil asos esera mo gergi kawai din sa bate medra di tare malo ling les ela sakna ka bebe asos segi de lor sakna ka pa de realize sa tag di lego mo sa sergi ako super gear tag de tara Mako. Oh, the swap. Oh, the swap. It's a lema. Better begin the way. For the movie around the hoy. Elegi dadi tahu. Mabadu dadi mo.
Member of National Youth and Advocate Council, and she is serving as the chairperson of the board. Lutum Sacro Prod. Mauera ng Pagong Ringen mo Dil Belau 2025. I'm looking at our NYCC members on the Vera stage. And then I'm looking at Chief Alons from the Division of Youth, Manay. And then I'm also the ice and was a little mingin Ringen mo Dil Belau. Tamatamulate and the Otovinkel Imol Dil Belau, the runner-ups. Ulong tumiruringin wa say, exorin manamol maloger lomot tritalan beberang contestants in partnership with the state government. Para tabi. Again, so I'll invite the Tirigero NYCC members, El Martar El Atosus, Valoran Mera Stage, Lumit ka na Miss Belau, and then also our Chief Alon sa Division of Youth, Manila Stage. Ulit na contestants, Matin, take 3 steps back, please. Ela, kom dengen na ada bela tawa corona mana. Tawagin lang ang tayo lang malusat tingin. So, maklok lang natin belaw, olak, rura, lakman, masuot din. Ay kaira maklok kalel natin belaw. Looti yaklok kalel. Aklokler ar Dil Belau. Engel mo pingil dan mo Dil Belau amo youth advocate dan owner lo engel National Youth and Development Council lom te erar ngayas ra Belau on a national, regional and international level. Okay, let's hear it one more time for our contestants. Please give it up for Dil Belau, Dil Belau, Dil Belau, Dil Belau, Dil Belau. Okay, the results are coming. Malo, can I get a drum roll, please? Oh, drum roll on your laps. I like it. Pamartero, huy! Mangyan mo, Dil Belau 2025 is Dil Belau! please come on stage and watch us sing the middle of the year. Again, nakakapagin sa pagkastan, may mga sa stage, so below the left side, may mas na stage, yung mas na below the
Yeah.